Hi everybody, Dave here from Dave's Auto Service. Working on a Volvo station wagon today, a XC60 model. Customer's complaint was they had an alternator and a battery installed a couple months ago at another repair shop, and when the car sits for several days, the battery's going dead, and also there's a battery warning light that comes on, and the car was brought here for us to figure it out. And we've done everything supposed to, check the charging system, and it is charging. The alternator that was installed is operating properly, and the battery was also changed at the same time. So the problem is that we discovered, and this is a common procedure with a lot of new cars anymore, and the European manufacturers started this several years back, but the battery has to be registered to the car when it's changed. If not, what happens is the vehicle's computers is trying to search for the old battery and it cannot find it. So what happens is the car's computers and modules are supposed to go to sleep after a certain period of time, and they're not, because they're trying to search for the old battery. And if this isn't done, when the car sits for several days, the battery can go dead. And this is what they are experiencing with their vehicle. And just want to show you where right inside here, I have the scanner hooked up. The beeping you're hearing in the background is I have the ignition on. Let me see if I get that to stop. And if you look right here, you can see where it says resetting the information to 0 on power supply when replacing the battery monitoring sensor. Now, we're not replacing the sensor, but because the battery's being changed, it has to be reset. And this is also something that's common on quite a few American cars. Now, once I go into that and start that function, there's a process to register the replacement battery. So what we'll do is we'll get customer approval to go ahead and do that. And afterwards, we'll clear any codes out that is set, and then the car should be fine. So just wanted to pass that on to you. And this is Dave from Dave's Auto Service in Boyertown, PA. And I'll see you the next time.